Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akil Gazamar Paung. I am from the Faculty of Sharia and Law and from the Islamic Criminal Law Study Program. In this video, I will explain the local wisdom about the traditional clothing of King Tompang and King Bibing from the province of West Kalimantan. To learn more about traditional clothing from West Kalimantan, please watching this video. Local wisdom refers to traditional knowledge, values, and practice that are developed by local communities and passed down from generation to generation. In West Kalimantan, traditional clothing is an important part of local wisdom because it reflects the way people live, their belief, and their relationship with nature and society. King Tompang is the traditional clothing worn by Dayak men, while King Bibing is worn by Dayak women. These clothes are traditionally made from natural materials such as tree bark and decorated with beads, traditional motifs, and symbolic ornaments. The Dayak people believe that clothing is not only to cover the body, but also to show identity, dignity, and cultural values. That is why King Tompang and King Bimbing are usually worn during important moments, such as traditional ceremonies, cultural festivals, welcome guests, and ritual events. Even in the modern era, these traditional clothes are still respected and preserved as symbols of Dayak identity and local wisdom. The history of King Tompang and King Bibing is closely related to the early life of the Dayak people in the forests of Borneo. In the past, the Dayak people lived close to nature. They depended on forests, rivers, and land for food, shelter, and clothing. Before modern fabric were introduced, they used tree bark to make clothes. The process of making bark clothing was not easy. The bark had to be taken carefully so the tree could continue to live. Then it was cleaned, beaten, dried, and shaped into clothing. This process required patience, skill, and experience. The knowledge was passed down orally from parents to children, making it an important cultural tradition. Over time, these clothes become more than daily wear. They turn into cultural symbols that show social identity, bravery, maturity, and community belonging. Although today modern materials are often used, the traditional design, patterns, and meanings of King Tompang and King Bibing are still preserved and respected. King Tompang and King Bibing contain deep cultural values and philosophy that guide the life of the Dayak people. First, they represent respect for nature. The Dayak people believe that humans are part of nature and must live in harmony with it. Second, they show respect for ancestors. The traditional patterns and design are inherited from previous generation, reminding people of their roots. Third, they symbolize unity and togetherness. Traditional clothing is worn during ceremonies where the whole community gathers, strengthening social bonds. Fourth, they reflect identity and pride. Wearing traditional clothing makes people feel proud of their culture and heritage. 5. They teach balance in life. The Dayak philosophy emphasizes balance between humans, nature, and spiritual life. These values are important lessons for the younger generation in facing modern challenges. King Tompang and King Bibing are very important for the people of West Kalimantan, especially the Dayak community. First, they help preserve cultural identity. In a rapidly changing world, traditional clothing reminds people of who they are and where they come from. Second, they support cultural education. Young people can learn history, values, and tradition through traditional clothing. Third, they play a role in cultural preservation. By wearing and showcasing traditional clothing, the Dayak people keep their culture alive. Fourth, they promote cultural tourism. Traditional clothing attracts visitors and helps introduce Dayak culture to a wider audience. Finally, preserving traditional clothing helps maintain cultural diversity in Indonesia. In conclusion, King Tompang and King Bibing are not just traditional clothes. They are a form of local wisdom that represents history, values, philosophy, and identity. By preserving and respecting traditional clothing, we can protect cultural heritage and pass it on to future generations. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.